Hello. In this clip, I'll demonstrate how to use the AudioCodes C455HD IP phone as a speaker for a computer. First of all, you need a cable with USB-A connectors on both ends. Then, on the C455HD, push the menu button and select the USB function from the menu on the device's screen. You should then enable the USB device mode in the top right corner of the screen. Once enabled, you should connect one end of the USB cable to the C455HD's black USB socket. Then, connect the other end of the USB cable to the computer's USB socket. Once it's successfully connected, you'll see a confirmation message on the IP phone screen. On the computer, you should then select the C455HD as the computer's audio device and set the desired volume. You can then go ahead and make a call from the computer's Teams phone client with the C455HD functioning as a speaker.